Today, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on the Coinbase app. Now, I will show you in real time on an iOS device so you can follow along step by step. If you do not already have Coinbase, a link is provided in the show notes below to sign up, which also gives you free crypto and supports us in creating more free content like this. Now, on the main page of the iOS device, you can see it is the home page because the home icon is highlighted. There are a few ways to buy Bitcoin, but the easiest method is right here where it says buy and sell. If you click on this section, it will give 3 options, and we want to buy crypto with cash. Clicking this section will show you a few things. First, you can search for Bitcoin. You may notice it in recent purchases and also in Tom assets. If it is not in either of these 2 sections, you can simply search for it. Since it appears here, we will click on it to go to this section. I want to break this down quickly. First, this is a one-time purchase order, but you can click here to do other actions like placing a limit order or setting up a recurring purchase. We want to place a one-time order for our example today, and then it will ask how much we want to purchase. This will be in US dollars here, or you can switch it to buying actual Bitcoin. Most likely you are dealing with 0.000 something in Bitcoin. For this example today, we'll keep it in USD and say we want to buy $20 worth of Bitcoin. We'll enter 20 here, and it will show us the approximate amount of Bitcoin we will have. Next, in this section below, it will explain how you will pay for it. Now, there is already a bank on file, but if not, this section will prompt you to add one or even add one during this process. At the Pay With section, tap it and you will see several different sections here. There might be some United States dollar coin available here. You might have a few different bank accounts like we do. You might have some cash on hand and can also use Apple Pay. If you do not see an option here, a video will appear after this showing how to add a bank account on file. For our example today, we will use the cash sitting in the account. Now it will show us what is available. Obviously, $25 is available, and we will use 20 of it. And of course, we want to verify that we are buying Bitcoin. Now, from here, go ahead and click on Review Order. This does not officially confirm it yet, so keep that in mind. This section shows the current price of Bitcoin as of this recording. You can see in real time how much you might receive based on the entire process and how quickly it will take, which here shows as instant. Now below, it also shows the fee for completing this process. Keep that in mind. The more you buy at once, the smaller this will be as a percentage of your purchase. Once everything looks good here, proceed to click on Buy Now. Here it shows that our order has been submitted, and they will email us when the order status changes to purchased. You can see here in real time that our trade was successful at the time of recording. It shows how much Bitcoin we have. And now it is added to our Coinbase account. From here, you can click on Done. It shows on your transaction page how much Bitcoin you purchased and confirms that the purchase went through. As mentioned earlier, if you do not have a bank link to your Coinbase app yet, we have got you covered. Watch our video on screen to learn how to add a bank account on file.